Okay, so I had an idea as I'm out here all on my own. I figured why not record with my POV glasses and just have a talk like I'm talking with a friend, right? Post it on YouTube because, I mean, even though it's through a screen, I'm still talking to, my friends, the people who follow me and support my journey. I'm still talking to you. So even though I might be out here on my own, and if someone sees me, they might think I'm fucking crazy. I don't care because I'm talking to someone, even though it's not physically, it's through a screen. So let's talk about this, right? A lot of people in this world, they believe that some things are unachievable, some things are impossible to achieve, when in reality, it's not. If anyone is doing something that you want to do out there in this world, you can do it too. If someone's driving a Rolls Royce, you can have it too. If someone's living in a mansion, you can do it too. You just got to figure out what those people are doing and make sure that you're doing that every day. And 9 times out of 10, the people who achieve anything in this world are the people who hold their word with themselves, right? Because you can't achieve anything if you can't hold your word with yourself. Because holding your word with yourself means basically you say you're going to do something and you make it happen, no matter how small it is, right? If you say you're going to wake up at a certain time, you wake up at that time. If you say you're going to do 100 push-ups, you do 100 push-ups. If you say you're going to do 500 push-ups, whatever it is, right? If it's something small, you hold your word to yourself. And then when you picture a bigger goal in your mind and you want to make that happen, guess what? You can achieve it too. Because all you're doing is telling your mind to do something and then doing it, right? So basically your word becomes iron. You could literally say you're going to do anything. You could say, I don't know, whatever it is, right? Whatever goal you have, you can make that up in your mind, see it in your mind, say it out into the world, and then bring it to reality. That's the amazing thing about life. I remember this one time, I was working at my last job before I started my business, and I was talking to this one coworker, right? And so as we were talking, I guess me and her were talking about cars or some shit, right? And I asked her, would you ever buy a Rolls Royce, right? And she said something that I was just like, man, I don't want people like this around me at all, because they're negative people. Just the way that they think shows how they view themselves and how they think that some things are unachievable, right? So when I was talking to her and I asked her, would you ever want a Rolls Royce or would you ever buy a Rolls Royce? She was like, be fucking for real, right? She said, be fucking for real. And to most people, that might not be very deep. To most people, that wouldn't be very deep, but I think deeply into everything, right? And you saying, be fucking for real, shows that you view yourself as someone who has low self-worth. Because if you thought you were worth it, you wouldn't say some shit like that. You wouldn't say, be fucking for real. If someone asks you, would you ever own a Rolls Royce? And you actually believe you're worth it, you say, yeah. You know, it might take me a little longer than other people, especially if I wasn't given a handout, no one ever gave me shit, then guess what? It might feel like it's unattainable to most people, right? But when you know, I'm worth this, I want a Rolls Royce, I can see myself in a Rolls Royce in my mind, so I'm gonna make it happen, right? You wouldn't say some shit like, be fucking for real, because I don't want people like that around me. People who say, things about themselves as if they limit themselves, right? It's a limiting belief in their mindset. They're limited to what they can believe, and they can't believe that they can make some shit like that happen. That's the crazy part, right? So those people, when they speak like that around you, if you're not careful, that can start to affect your mind, right? That's why you got to keep people like that far away from you, because those people, they will speak things. Words have power. That's the thing, right? And they'll say things that are negative, and it'll start to download into your subconscious mind, and you'll start to believe that shit, right? Like, I remember growing up, people would always say that, oh, you have a fast metabolism. That's why you lose weight. That's why I can't lose weight. It's because I have a slow metabolism. That's literally showing that, if you start to believe that, right? Let's just say you have those people around you and you start to believe that, right? And you're fat. Those negative words that person filled out into the air, those negative words now start to become daily programming into your mind, right? Like you're starting to repeat that to yourself. That's what programming is, right? And so if you're fat and you look in the mirror and you want to make a change, but you've been hanging around people like that, then guess what? Now you're going to say, I'm fat. I can't lose the weight though because I have a slow metabolism. When in reality, it's about your calories, right? That's the truth. But see how having those people around you can affect the way you think, and then as you know, in turn affect your life? Because understanding that any goal is simply just, this is how you can break down any goal, right? You see it in your mind. If you believe you can achieve it, then guess what? You put together a plan. You figure out what it takes, right? And then you start taking action on that. And once you've taken action on it every single day, it's only a matter of time before you achieve it, if you know what I mean, right? Because let's just say you're fat and your goal is to have abs. Having people like that around you will negatively affect you. You won't be able to achieve your goal, right? Because what you believe, your mind and your beliefs are what's causing you to take action in a certain direction, right? So if you believe that shit, you wouldn't be able to understand that, okay, let's just say we're breaking down the goal of being fat, right? And wanting to get in shape. Understanding that there's such thing as maintenance calories, meaning how much your body needs to survive and keep the same weight, right? There's surplus. If you're eating in a surplus of calories, you're not going to lose weight, and there's a deficit, right? So if you're in a deficit, it is impossible for you to not be able to achieve that goal, right? So that's what literally any goal is, right? If you can understand the fundamentals, then guess what? You can go out there and make it happen. Some goals might take longer than others, but you could still make it happen. That's why I was able to lose, you know, body fat in like 6 weeks. I could literally lose body fat in like 6 weeks, going from being chubby to seeing my abs. Why? Because I understand the goal, right? I understand that it's not about metabolism. Literally, if my maintenance calories are 2,000 and I just make sure that every single day I hit 1,500, then it's impossible that I don't achieve that goal, right? It's impossible. It's not humanly possible. If you're doing what it takes every single day, you can make it happen, right? And that's why I tell so many people, like, bro, you need to start, you know, losing the body weight, because that's the very first fundamental towards success. You know, you literally, you track your calories every single day, and once you're in the best shape of your life, now you understand the fundamentals of success, right? So you can apply it to any other goal. So understanding that, right, you can just make sure you hold your word with yourself every single day. You're in a deficit, and there's no way you don't lose weight, right? So it's the same thing with any other goal. If you want a car, a house, whatever, financial status, anything, it's the same exact way. Find out what needs to be done, you do that, and you get the result. It doesn't matter what it is. But yeah, guys, I'm getting tired, and this is it. I'm gonna head off this trail. I'm gonna end this video. I know some people probably saw me walking around and talking. They're like, that motherfucker is insane. But nah, I'm talking to y'all. So it's all good. Y'all have a good day. Peace.